Nowadays, many people complain that they have difficulties getting enough sleep. What problems can lack of sleep cause? What can be done about lack of sleep? Healing and repairing any internal wear and tear occurs when one rests. Unfortunately, in this day and time, several people express that they do not get adequate sleep. This essay will examine its consequences and suggest some remedies for the same. To begin with, people who work in a fast-paced environment have a hectic schedule. They have various tasks that need to be completed in stipulated amount of time, which puts them under tremendous pressure. The major drawback of sleep deprivation is a lack of concentration. In other words, the person feels less motivated and focused the following day, which further affects his performance at work. Secondly, the lack of sleep causes numerous health ailments such as cardiac trouble, diabetes, and obesity. Additionally, insomniacs lack the energy to work out and thus lead to sedentary lifestyle. Exorbitant intake of caffeine or alcohol, taking sleep for granted by using gadgets, working long shifts, stress, and various other factors cause sleep deprivation, leading to numerous health issues. Nevertheless, this problem can be dealt with by taking some prudent measures. First and foremost, the masses should prioritize sleep and keep a regular schedule to get a 7 to 9 hour sleep time when they will not engage with electronic devices. Furthermore, one can try to take up exercising that will tire the body and eventually lead to respite. Besides, lack of sleep can be caused by anxiety and stress. So to calm the nerves, one can listen to soft music or read before bedtime. Apart from that, substances that contain caffeine, nicotine, alcohol should be avoided as it disrupts regular sleeping pattern. In conclusion, difficulty in getting enough sleep is a common complaint in present times. I believe this results in unhealthy relations and dip in performance. However, plenty of effective remedies can help sleep-deprived citizens get enough sleep.